creative Instagram story editing idea. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device. Go to your story and select any picture of your choice. I will choose this picture here. Now tap on your screen or on the text icon on the top. You will be allowed to add text here. Select the very first font and add a dot and enlarge the size until it covers your entire screen. Once done, tap on the sticker icon on the top and now tap on music. Add any song of your choice and select the design for your Instagram music. Go back and inside sticker icon again, tap on the picture icon to add additional picture. Select the same picture that we have already added and now put it over the Instagram music like I am doing here. Also tap on sticker icon again and now in the search bar search for Spotify. Select the second sticker here and place it below the Instagram music. This way your Instagram will look creative enough. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.